What's up, YouTube? Getting a Super Bowl on my antenna. This is really cool.
Yeah, unfortunately, they had Chris Hogan all the way down the field.
Super Bowl 2018. We got the Phillies versus the Patriots.
Leave a little more time on that clock.
Can the Patriots get a touchdown
He's coming out here. I don't know what we're going to get here, but
to tie this game? I don't know, guys. The antenna still works, guys. Let's take a quick look because it is raining. Oh, slush, guys. Driveway is like a sheet of ice right now. We just got a whole bunch of snow today. Let's take a look at the antenna, guys. There's the antenna, battered with snow and rain. Let's see if we can clean it a little bit, guys. And I'm getting a Super Bowl on this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, I mean, just clean it off a little bit. That's all I'm doing. Look at that. I'm getting a freaking Super Bowl on this. And it, yeah. There's the wire. That's all I use now. It's just that one antenna. This is disconnected. Okay, have my old wire going in. It goes inside. I can't believe I'm getting a Super Bowl. That's amazing. So here we are, guys, watching the Super Bowl on my homemade beer can antenna. Can you dig it? If you want to know how I built it, I'll leave a link on this video. It'll be somewhere towards the end of this video. Here goes the Patriots. Thanks for watching.